Germany's airports are sinking. Frankfurt is being attacked mercilessly by a superstorm and flooding. Flooding has occurred in regions of Germany, including Baden-Württemberg, Rhineland-Palatinate, and Thuringia, as a result of torrential rains. Overnight, dungeons and underpasses were flooded, and hundreds of firefighters were dispatched to these locations. Stormy weather hit the south of Hesse on Wednesday night, and the situation hasn't eased. The German Weather Service, DWD, predicts thunderstorms, hail, and strong winds on Thursday, August 17, especially in the evening and night. Due to the heavy rains, there is a possibility of local storms. Meanwhile, temperatures in the north of Hesse reached 24 degrees Celsius, while temperatures in the south reached 29 degrees. The outlook calls for mostly clear skies on Friday and over the weekend. According to DWD, Friday may bring some rain in the north before clearing up to 32 degrees Celsius in the south. Saturday is anticipated to be much hotter, with highs of up to 34 degrees Celsius. Meteorologists predict that rain will fall in the north during the afternoon. Temperatures are forecast to range from 27 to 32 degrees Celsius on Sunday, with a mix of sun and clouds and frequent showers. The DWD severe weather warning for central and northern Hesse was lifted at 8 a.m. on Thursday. The region was hit by strong thunderstorms and rain, resulting in firefighting operations. About 30 operations involving trees blocking roads and landslides were reported by police. There were also some occurrences involving manhole covers and trees in the streets. A property in Ulsfeld was struck by lightning, incurring roughly €10,000 in damage. On Wednesday night, the Rhine-Main area, particularly Frankfurt, was hit by severe storms. Around 600 hurricane-related operations were handled by the Frankfurt Fire Brigade. The districts of Sachsenhausen, Niederrad, and Zilchium were severely impacted. Water influx inundated the Sudbenhof area, disrupting local public transportation. Rescues were needed at flooded subway stations. Several planes were cancelled at Frankfurt Airport owing to water accumulation on the apron. Ground handling was halted for more than 2 hours. Due to the storm, over 70 flights were cancelled, affecting passengers. Gelsenkirchen, North Rhine-Westphalia, was battered by a thunderstorm with heavy rain. The fire service reported flooding in streets, basements, and low-lying areas, as well as automobiles being damaged by fallen trees.